Good morning, Zach. It is Friday, March 3rd. Holy shit, it's March already. I don't know how that happened. Also, look at this. Uh, no, it's going back on my head. Yeah, remember how I said in this class we'd be writing a web browser? Well, that's starting already. Um, the web browser thing is split into two projects. The first of which is really non-GUI based, meaning everything runs in a terminal shell, which isn't that exciting, but it still legitimately connects to the internet using servers and then parses a subset of HTML that we were given to parse, and then prints stuff to the terminal, and then asks for interaction if you have interactable HTML elements, and then sends information back to the server. So it is exciting a bit. My partner and I haven't started working on that project, but we will soon. The next project, part 2, is implementing all of this with a graphical user interface, GUI for short, GUI, so that things can be slightly more interesting and exciting. In lecture today, we learned about Java Swing, which is just a graphics library for Java. And given our knowledge of servers, we could combine those two things to make a legitimate instant messaging client at this point. We could do that. There might be something interesting to do on the side if I have time, but I probably won't. Earlier I was holding CS4 hours and only one person came, so that was fun, I guess. Oh, the next CS4 project. I mentioned it was going to be a facial detection thing, I think, but it's not. It's actually a song genre classification thing called Jukebox, and the overall purpose of it is you start with 3 sets of song clips, one labeled as rock, one labeled as classical, one labeled as techno, and then you're given some songs of unknown genres, and then the code you wrote / the support code that we give to the students / MATLAB's built-in libraries of stuff code. The project is supposed to be able to classify the unknown genres of music with some degree of accuracy that I'm not sure about. So that's what else is there? I know I'm being extremely boring right now. CS4, CS18, CS22 we're getting into formal logic, which is interesting. Hopefully soon we'll get into digital logic, doing logic gates and whatnot. Linear algebra is just like vector spaces. And engineering is like, here's physics, here's your throat. Dakota Fanning. Oh god, I could bring that up. I'll see you on Monday.